Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, in the last video we have discussed about two questions only, and the two questions were very important question, and it is little bit difficult too, isn't it? And through this video session we are going to find out more and more questions from the same chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry, by using the material Rajana Sagar material, and all the questions will be previous year questions. And don't think that these questions are enough. Don't think that. I will try my level best to find out extra question, but still you also want to find out more and more question. You can Google or you can choose from previous year question paper. Otherwise you can choose some materials. Anyway, try to find out different kind of question from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry and try to solve it out. Once you feel doubt, you can ask me. I will try to help you, and I'm not going to waste time. Let's go to the class. Okay. So this is going to be a first question. Listen. If sec theta minus tan theta is equal to x, show that sec theta is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x, and tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus x. Okay, so let me go to the problem. And what is the given thing? Given that, so what is the given thing? Given that sec theta minus tan theta, okay, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to x is given. By using this given hint, we have to show that sec theta is nothing but 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x, and tan theta is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus x. So only one thing is given, sec theta minus tan theta is given. That means the difference between sec and tan is given. We have to find an expression for sec separately and tan separately. You may understand the question, because we have to form an expression for sec and tan. What is given? Difference between sec and tan is given as x. So which I'm going to go for some tricky attempts, like sec theta minus tan theta. This kind of a question we did, I think. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to x, no? So I'm going to write it as sec theta minus tan theta by 1, because every number we can give the denominator as 1. Now just see then which will be the next step. Who can say? If you learn properly, you can easily say that 1, it's a time to replace 1. How we can replace 1? We can replace 1 as sec square theta minus tan square theta. Why? Sec square theta minus tan square theta also represent 1. Why? Because by which identity? By identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, we can find an expression for 1 as sec square theta minus tan square theta. Same expression, sec square theta minus tan square theta, I given for 1 is equal to what? Right side as it is, you have to maintain. Okay, that implies. So this step implies that what? Then what will be the next step? Think. Numerator I am not going to disturb numerator as it is sec theta minus tan theta, but instead of denominator I am going to write, since it is in the form a square minus b square, I can write it as sec theta plus tan theta f plus b into a minus b, sec theta minus tan theta. Right side, let it be like that. And now we can cancel sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta get cancelled, 1 will come. If same terms get cancelled, you have to write 1 at that time. So what will remain? 1 by sec theta plus tan theta will remain as x. You may understood. So we got the expression for 1 by sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Can you find out an expression for, from this expression, can you find out an expression for sec theta plus tan theta? How we can find out an expression for sec theta plus tan theta? From 1 by sec theta plus tan theta, take the reciprocal on both sides. Then we will get the expression for sec theta plus tan theta. Here x is nothing but x by 1. For taking reciprocal, let me write x as x by 1. Take the reciprocal on both sides. So when you take the reciprocal on both sides, 1 by sec theta plus tan theta become what? Sec theta plus tan theta by 1. That means sec theta plus tan theta itself is equal to what? When you take the reciprocal of x by 1, it becomes x by 1 by x. And let it be your second expression. Let it be this as your first expression. What first expression says? That is already the given thing. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to x. What your second expression says? Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by x. But what is the question? So our expression ഒക്കെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു, question ഉത്തരം മാത്രം കിട്ടിയില്ല എന്നല്ലേ. എന്താണ് question? We have to find an expression for sec theta and tan theta separately. We are on the way. See, we got an expression. We already have an expression for sec theta minus tan theta as x. Now we got an expression for sec theta plus tan theta as 1 by x. Solve this first, second and first equation. Then we can easily find out an expression for sec theta and tan theta separately. because you know how to solve linear equation two variable. By same method we can use. I'm going to add this first and second equation. I'm going to add this first and second equation. So what is the first? Let me rewrite. First expression is sec theta minus tan theta is equal to x. This is the already given thing. Now we got the another expression as sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by x. Let me add this. What is sec theta plus sec theta? 2 sec theta. Isn't it? Minus tan theta plus tan theta get cancelled. When you add RHS side, x plus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 by x. Then what will be sec theta? Can you find out what will be sec theta? What will be sec theta? Right side is x plus 1 by x. When you take this 2 to right side, it become in the division part. That means divide by 2. You may understood. 2 sec theta is equal to x plus 1 by x. Then what will be sec theta? X plus 1 by x. Take this 2 to right side. Divided by 2. We can write it as 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. We can write x plus 1 by x by 2 as 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. You can ask me why. X by 2 you can replace as 1 by 2 into x. No problem in that. Same method I have used. X plus 1 by x by 2 I can replace by 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. So we got an expression for sec theta. See, we found two expression. This is already the given expression and this is the new one, and we mentioned as first and second equation. We mentioned they as first and second equation, and simply we used to add. When we added, we got an expression. Tan theta minus tan theta get cancelled. We got an expression for sec theta as what? 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. See, sec theta is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. That means we got an expression for sec theta. That means we proved this part, and this is only remaining. How we can find it out? So now we used to add, no? So one way is you can substitute the value of sec theta in any one of the equation as in linear equation two variable. Otherwise, now we added, no? Now let us subtract. Then we will get the expression for tan theta. Can we subtract and find it out? So our equations were sec theta minus tan theta is equal to x. Our equations were sec theta minus tan theta is equal to x, and the new equation is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by x, I think, and let it be a second equation. So we used to add in the first time. Now I am going to subtract. Now let me subtract. So how I can subtract? I am going to subtract in this way: second equation minus first equation. I am going to subtract second equation minus first equation. So what is sec theta minus sec theta? 0. So I have to subtract tan theta, subtract minus tan theta. See, which is the second equation? Sec theta plus tan theta. I'm going to let me do it. Okay, if you feel any confusion. So I'm going to subtract second equation minus first equation. So LHS side subtract separately and RHS side subtract separately. That means let me start. I have to start from second equation now. So second equation LHS side is sec theta plus tan theta. I have written that. Then subtraction. This sign subtraction. Then after minus you have to give a bracket, and this LHS side, what is that? Sec theta minus tan theta. You may understood, isn't it? Second equation minus first equation means let us subtract the LHS side and RHS side separately. So when you subtract LHS side, you have to start with the second equation, because that second equation minus first equation I have to do that side, and this minus this. So this minus, just give a bracket, that is equal to, then RHS side 1 by x minus x, 1 by x minus x. Okay, now just see, open the bracket now, sec theta plus tan theta. When you take that minus inside the bracket, it will be what? Can you tell me? Minus sec theta minus plus tan theta is equal to 1 by x minus x. You may understood. Now just see which all times get cancelled. Sec theta minus sec theta get cancelled. Tan theta plus tan theta is 2 tan theta is equal to 1 by x minus x. Then what will be tan theta? Similarly as in the previous case, tan theta will be 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus x. See, we found the expression for tan theta also 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus x. See, 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus x. So simply this, isn't it? See, question is very simple, and in between some tricky attempts you have to make. That much only. That is the only problem of trigonometry. We have to find out that, we have to think for the particular tricky step. See, you may understood. So first time we used to add both equation, and now I used to subtract. So when I subtract, I started from second equation. You can start from the first equation also, no problem. Try for that. So LHS subtract and RHS subtract. In that way, sec theta get cancelled. Then we found an expression for tan theta as 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus x. ഇപ്പം നിങ്ങളിൽ പല കുട്ടികളും ചിന്തിക്കുന്നുണ്ടാവും എന്തിനാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരുപാട് എക്സ്ട്രാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തന്നെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്, പിന്നെ അതിന് പുറമെ എന്തിനാണ് എക്സ്ട്രാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. അതിനുള്ള ഉത്തരം എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ എത്രമാത്രം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, അപ്പം നമുക്ക് പല പല മെത്തേഡുകൾ, ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കണ്ടു, അതിൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ച ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി. ബൈ 1 ഇട്ടു, അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാലോ, ആ ഒരു കാര്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടി മാത്രം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. എനിക്കൊരിക്കലും പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല ഇതേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ് നാളെ നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതാൻ പോകുന്ന ബോർഡ് എക്സാമിന് ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ ചോദിക്കും, അതല്ല ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ എനിക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രോമിസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നൊരു കാര്യമുണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ടു ട്രിഗ്നോമെട്രിയിൽ നിന്ന് ബോർഡ് എക്സാമിന് ചോദിച്ചോട്ടെ, അതിൽ ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണെങ്കിലും നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ച പോലത്തെ മെത്തേഡുകളൊക്കെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ടൈപ്പ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. കാരണം ഒരുപാട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ചൊരു ഈ മെത്തേഡുകൾ, ഇത് ഓരോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാകും പല പല മെത്തേഡുകളാണ്. ചിലയിടത്ത് അങ്ങനെ ഇട്ട്, ചിലയിടത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇട്ട്, ചിലയിടത്ത് അവിടെ എഴുതി, ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതി, അങ്ങനെ പല പല മെത്തേഡ്. അപ്പം ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ച് ഏതെങ്കിലും മെത്തേഡിൽ കൂടെ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ മെത്തേഡ് ഗ്രാസ്പ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന്. അതാണ് പറയുന്നത്, ബൈ ഹാർട്ട് ചെയ്യരുത്. ഓരോന്നിലുള്ള ഒരു അറ്റംപ്റ്റ്സ്, നമ്മൾ എന്ത് അറ്റംപ്റ്റാണ് ചെയ്തത്, ആ അറ്റംപ്റ്റാണ് നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, അതെനിക്ക് പ്രോമിസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. അറ്റംപ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലെറ്റ് us go to the next question. And your next question is, very next question, given that 7 sin square plus 3 cos square is equal to 4. Given that 7 sin square plus 3 cos square is equal to 4, then show that tan is equal to 1 by root 3. Listen, you may understood the question. So understanding the question is the most important thing. Try to read problem well and grasp the things inside the question. That means 7 sin square a plus 3 cos square is given as 4. By using this hint, 7 sin square plus 3 cos square is equal to 4, we have to show that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. We have to show that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3 by using this hint. See, how you can make the presence of tan in this expression. What is the need of creating the presence of tan? Because we need to prove that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. How we can make the presence of tan in the question 7 sin square plus 3 cos square is equal to 4? In order to make the presence, let me divide throughout by cos square. You can ask me why, you will get understood in the very next step. Divide throughout the expression by cos square. Are you following me? Now just see, it becomes, when you divide throughout by cos square, that means 7 sin square a plus 3 cos square a is equal to 4 was the expression. When I am dividing throughout by cos square a, what will happen? When I divide throughout by cos square a, what is going to happen? That means first term is 7 sin square a, that I have to divide by cos square a, plus second term is 3 cos square a, that I have to divide by cos square a, and the last right side is 4, that also I have to divide by cos square a. Not LHS side. When you do something in the LHS side, the same thing we have to try in the RHS side also. Now just see, it becomes 7 into, what is sin square a divided by cos square a? Of course, tan square a. See, we made the presence of tan. So this is why I divided by cos square a. Plus cos square a get cancelled, we will get what? 3 is equal to 4 by cos square a become 4 by cos square a. Can you write it as, see, listen, 4 by cos square a, can you write it as 4 into 1 by cos square a? So of course, so 4 maintain like that. What is 1 by cos square a? It is nothing but 6 square a. You may understood. 4 by cos square a, I can write it as 4 into 1 by cos square a. So 4, just keep it like that. And 1 by cos square is nothing but 1 by cos is nothing but sec, no? Yes. So now we just see, we need to form the expression for tan A. We have to find out, we have to prove that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. But here we made the presence of tan anyway, but right side is sec. So I am going to replace that sec in terms of tan, because we need tan only, that's why. So now it becomes 7 tan square a plus 3 is equal to 4 into, how you can replace tan sec in terms of tan? Sec square is nothing but 1 plus tan square a, direct identity. You may understood. Now we just open the bracket and simplify. 7 tan square a plus 3 will be when you open the bracket, it becomes 4 plus 4 tan square. You just listen. Now 7 tan square is there in the LHS side. Take this 4 tan square from RHS to LHS. So it becomes 7 tan square minus 4 tan square. What is 7 tan square minus 4 tan square? 3 tan square. You may understood. And right side is 4. Take this 3 to right side. So 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. You may understood. What I did is, see, right, LHS is 7 tan square. 7 tan square, keep it like that. And take this 4 tan square to left side. So 7 tan square minus 4 tan square, that is 3 tan square. And right side is 4, keep it like that. Take this plus 3 to right side, minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Then from 3 tan square is equal to 3. What is tan square? 1 by 3. Then what will be tan? Square root of that. Square root of 1 by 3. Apply square root separately. Square root of 1 is 1 itself. Square root of 3 is square root of 3. See, we proved that tan A is nothing but 1 by root 3. See, very simple question. See, very simple. Hence the proof. See, listen, same question. Let me solve by using another way. Because for every, I told you, for some problem there exists more than one method. Let us try for that. Okay, so what is given? What we have to calculate? Tan A. This is my own method. We have to calculate the expression for tan A. സോ ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ എന്താ ആലോചിച്ചെന്നറിയോ, ടാനയാണ് എനിക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ടാനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ, അതായത് നമുക്ക് ഷോ ദാറ്റ് ടാന ഇതാണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ ടാനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞ മെത്തേഡ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാണ്ടാവും. ഇത് വേറൊരു മെത്തേഡാണ്, ഇപ്പോൾ ആലോചിച്ചപ്പോൾ കിട്ടിയതാണ്. ടാനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ സൈനും കോസും കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ടാൻ കിട്ടിക്കൂടെ? ടാനെ 1/√3 ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ സൈനും കോസും കിട്ടിയെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ടാൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ അറിയില്ല. എന്തായത്, സൈന് കിട്ടി, കോസ് കിട്ടിയാൽ സൈൻ ബൈ കോസ് ചെയ്താൽ ടാൻ ആയില്ലേ? അപ്പം ഒരു തരത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ സൈനും കോസും കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ടാൻ കിട്ടിയെന്ന് പറയാം. സൈനിനെ കോസ് കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ ടാൻ ആയി, ബിക്കോസ് ടാൻ ഈസ് നത്തിങ് ബട്ട് സൈൻ ബൈ കോസ്. സോ ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ടു കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് സൈൻ എ ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് കോസ് എ. യു മേ അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്. Once you get sin A and cos A, just divide, we will get tan A. Okay. So in order to find out sin A and cos A, which is the given expression, 7 sin square A plus 3 cos square A is equal to 4. This is the expression with the two unknowns. Sin A is the first unknown, cos A is the second unknown. So with the two unknowns, we cannot do anything. So I am going to change it as in terms of one unknown. So in order to do that, 7 sin square A as it is plus 3 into, instead of cos square A, can I write 1 minus sin square A? Yes, right side for as it is. What is which forced me to write cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square A? Because by the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, I can replace cos square A by 1 minus sin square A. We already learned that. Now just see it become in terms of one unknown. Now the expression in terms of one unknown. Solve it out. 7 sin square A plus, when you take 3 inside, it become 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into minus sin square is 3. Sin square A is equal to 4. And can you find out an expression for sin square A? Yes, of course. What is 7 sin square A minus 3 sin square A? 4 sin square A. Right side is 4. Take this plus 3 to right side. So it become minus 3. 4 minus 3, it is 1. So sin square A will be 1 by 4. Then what will be sin A? Sin A, square root of that means 1 by 2. So we got the expression for sin A. We found the expression for sin A. Then what we need more? We need cos A also. Then how we can find out cos A? Substitute this value in that equation. What was the equation? 7 sin square A plus 3 cos square A is equal to 4. Substitute this value in this expression. So 7 into sin square A is 1 by 4. So instead of sin square A, what I can write? 1 by 4 plus 3 cos square A is equal to 4. So it becomes 7 by 4 plus 3 cos square A is equal to 4 now. So from this expression, what is the expression for 3 cos square A? 4 minus 7 by 4. When you cross multiply, you will get 4 into 4 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is, what is it? 9 by 4. So we got the expression for 3 cos square as 9 by 4. See, listen. We got the expression for 3 cos square A as 9 by 4. You can cancel this 3 and 9. In 3 how many 3? 1. In 9 how many 3? 3. So in short, cos square A will be 3 by 4. That means cos A, can I find out an expression for cos A? Cos square A will be 3 by 4, then cos A will be square root of that. That means square root of 3. Square root of 3 is square root of 3 itself, square root of 4 is 2 itself. So we got the expression for sin A we got 1 by 2 and cos A we got root 3 by 2. Then it is the time to calculate what? Tan A. Tan A is equal to what? Sin A by cos A. Sin A is 1 by 2. Cos A is root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, we will get 1 by root 3. This is also one method of solving. So I introduced two methods. And anyway, this question comes under section C. How do you compare this question, both method? How do you feel that? First method is very simple to solve. Only few steps are there. We don't want to consume much time. We can easily solve it out within a fixed time. But second method, it is a little bit time taking. So which method we can choose? First method obviously, because in board exam we have to use our time effectively. So that's why I told you know ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പല മെത്തേഡ് ഉണ്ടാകും. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഏത് മെത്തേഡാണോ ടൈം കുറവെടുക്കുക ആ മെത്തേഡ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുക. ഇനിയിപ്പം നമുക്ക് ടൈം കുറഞ്ഞ മെത്തേഡ് കിട്ടിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇച്ചിരി ടൈം കൂടി ഇപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് മെത്തേഡ് നമുക്ക് അപ്പോൾ കിട്ടിയില്ല, അപ്പോൾ സെക്കൻഡ് മെത്തേഡ് ചെയ്തോളൂ, കുറച്ച് സ്പീഡിൽ ചെയ്യണമെന്നുള്ളൂ. പറയുന്നത് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. നമുക്കെപ്പോഴും ടൈം കൺസ്യൂം ആവാത്ത മെത്തേഡിന് നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ അതെങ്ങനെയാണ് മനസ്സിലാവുക? ടൈം ഏതിന് പിടിക്കും, ടൈം ഏതിന് പിടിക്കില്ല എന്നെങ്ങനെയാണ് മനസ്സിലാവുക? അത് മനസ്സിലാവണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരേ ഒരു കാര്യമുള്ളൂ, പ്രാക്ടീസ്, ഡു പ്രാക്ടീസ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. ഇപ്പം ഞാനത് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തപ്പോഴേ എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായത്. Okay, same way. So let us move to the next question. And your next question is prove that square root of 6 square theta plus cos square theta, 6 square theta plus cos square theta is under the square root. We have to prove that this one is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. We have to prove that square root of 6 square theta plus cos square theta is equal to nothing but tan theta plus cot theta. Now let us start from LHS side. LHS is equal to square root of 6 square theta plus cosec square theta. We just see it become, see, right side is in terms of tan and cot, no, but LHS is in terms of sec and cosec. So at least we have to make the presence of tan and cot in LHS side. So how we can make the presence of tan and cot here? What is sec square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. You may understand. What is cosec square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. How do you know that? Direct identity. 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosec square theta. And now just see it become, what is tan square theta? As it is tan square theta plus what is 1 plus 1? 2 plus cot square theta as it is cot square theta. Then what we will do? Think. What we will do? Think. So the next step, what I'm going to make a little bit changes. Tan square theta as it is plus this cot square theta as it is. So you can ask me why sir is leaving this much space for a single number 2. The reason is 2, I am going to write it as 2 into tan theta into cot theta. Don't ask me why now. Wait. You will get understood. Can I write 2 as 2 into tan theta and cot theta? അതെങ്ങനെ സാറേ 2 നിങ്ങൾ 2 tan theta into cot theta എന്ന് എഴുതാം? See, very simple. What is tan theta into cot theta? Calculate. What is tan theta into cot theta? Who can say? Tan theta itself. Cot theta can I write 1 by tan theta? Tan theta into cot theta can I write tan theta into 1 by tan theta, because cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. No. Why? Because cot is the inverse of tan. Now tan and tan get cancelled. What we will get? 1. That means 2 into tan theta into cot theta become 2 into tan theta into cot theta. We found that 1. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2, no? That means you can replace 2 by 2 into tan theta into cot theta, because this is nothing but 1. 2 into 1 will be 2 itself. So you can ask me, sir, what is the advantage by writing this? See, now it came in the form a square plus, see, this is some a square, this is some b square, and this is some 2ab, no? See, if you consider tan theta as a and cot theta as b, it became in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is that? A plus b whole square. Since it is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, I can write it as a plus b whole square. That means here a is nothing but tan theta plus b is nothing but cot theta. That means this is the expansion of tan theta plus cot theta all square. How do you know that? Because this is in the form a. Now this is, it was not in that form. We made some arrangement here. Now it become in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. That I can replace by a plus b all square. So now we just see under the square root everything will come. Now you see when you apply square root, this square root and this 2 will get cancelled. What we will get? Tan theta plus cot theta. So we reached it to the RHS side. See. See, now you may understood, isn't it? Some tricky attempts. See, I think most of the students are considering this as interesting one. See, അല്ലേ, നമുക്കറിയാത്തൊരു കാര്യം നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് വേണം നിങ്ങൾക്ക്. ലേണിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഓൺലി ഫോർ സ്കോറിങ് മാർക്ക്. ലേണിംഗ് ഈസ് ആസ് സം അതർ തിങ്സ്. ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം ഒരാൾ എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നത്തിങ് ബട്ട് യുവർ മാനേജർ തോമസ്. വൺസ് ഹി സെഡ് ദാറ്റ് ലേണിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ഒരു ഇൻ്റലക്ച്വൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഇൻ്റലക്ച്വൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ബ്രെയിനിന് കൊടുക്കുന്ന എക്സസൈസാണ്. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ ലേണിംഗ്. മാർക്ക് സ്കോർ ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് മാത്രം, മാർക്ക് സ്കോർ ചെയ്യണം, പക്ഷെ അതുകൊണ്ടും അതിനുവേണ്ടി മാത്രമാവരുത് ലേണിംഗ്. ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ. അപ്പം ഇത് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തു, അവിടെ നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. ഇനി ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്കത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ലേ? ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു അറ്റംപ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ്. ബിക്കോസ് 2 അപ്പുറ ടാൻ സ്ക്വയർ തീറ്റയുണ്ട്, ഇപ്പുറ കോട്ട് സ്ക്വയർ തീറ്റയുണ്ട്, നടുക്ക് 2 മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ 2 കൂടെ ടാൻ തീറ്റ കോട്ട് തീറ്റ ഇട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് 2a/s² + 2s. That kind of attempts. So we have to give preference for that. Okay. So let us move to the next question. Next question is, prove that sin a plus cos a by sin a minus cos a plus sin a minus cos a by sin a plus cos a is equal to 2 by 1 minus 2 sec square. That means we have to show that this plus this is equal to 2 by 1 minus 2 cos square. So let me, very simple question. You may, by seeing the question at first look, you may think that it is difficult, but this is very simple question compared to the last few questions. Listen, it is sin a plus cos a divided by sin a minus cos a, no, LHS side, plus sin a minus cos a divided by sin a plus cos a. See, first one is a fraction, second one is a fraction. Let us cross multiply. How to add two fraction? By using cross multiplication. Now we just see what is sin a plus cos a into sin a plus cos a. Sin a plus cos a all square. What is sin a minus cos a into sin a minus cos a? Sin a minus cos a all square divided by sin a minus cos a into sin a plus cos a. That is in the form a minus b into a plus b. It will be what? A square minus b square. That means sin square a minus cos square. You may understood. This way we got this much. This way we got this. This way it is in the form a minus b into a square, a minus b into a plus b. So we can write it as a square minus b square. Now we just see, it implies, can you use a plus b all square here? Yes. What is the expansion for a plus b all square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Expand by using a plus b all square here. Expand by using a minus b all square here. What is the expression for a minus b all square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Do it. See, listen. So when you expand it, it becomes in the form it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. First one a plus b all square, and second one is a minus b all square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now and denominator as it is. Now we just see what is sin square a plus cos square a. 1 plus what is sin square a plus cos square a? Again 1. So 1 plus 1, no. 2 sin a cos a minus 2 sin a cos a cancel. So we got 1 plus 1 by sin square a minus cos square a. That means 2 by sin square a minus cos square a. So hence the, can you say that, okay, hence the proof? No, denominator is 1 minus 2 cos square a. Numerator is 2, but denominator is 1 minus 2 cos square a. Here denominator is in terms of sin and cos, but there in the question denominator is in terms only cos. So what we can do? We have to make in terms of cos only. How? 2 numerator as it is, we are not going to disturb it. How I can mention it as in the terms of cos only? Replace sin in terms of cos. Enough, no? How we can replace sin in terms of cos? Instead of sin square a, what you can write? 1 minus cos square a. Why? Because we know that sin square a you can replace by 1 minus cos square a. Why? Because from the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a as it is. Because 1 minus cos square a is nothing but sin square a. 2 by, so it become 1 minus cos square a minus cos square. You may understood. It become 2 by, what is cos square A minus cos square A? Sorry, see, listen here, 1 as it is. This is not cos square A, this is minus cos square A. What is minus cos square A? You may understood. See, 1 minus cos square A, no need to give a bracket here because this is not after minus, this is before minus. So that means if it is after minus, you have to give a bracket. Since it is since this term is before minus, you don't need to give a bracket. So sin square is 1 minus cos square, 1 minus cos square as it is, minus cos square here. And you just see numerator as it is. Here it is 1 as it is. See, 1 as it is. What is this? Is minus cos square. What is minus cos square? Minus cos square minus 2 cos square. What is minus x minus x? What is minus x minus x? Minus 2x. X minus x may be 0, but minus x is minus 2x. Just like that, minus cos square minus cos square will be minus 2 cos square A. Hence the proof. See, 2 by 1 minus 2 cos square A. 2 by 1 minus 2 cos square. See, step by step. Only one thing, you have to go for cross multiplication, that much only. And by doing simple cross multiplication, we will reach here. But look at RHS side. RHS side is only contains denominator, only contains cos only. Then we have to find an expression for sine in terms of cos. So we did like that. So this is the way how to proceed step by step process. Okay. See, this is your next question. Find, very important question, so comes under section B. Okay, find tan 65 minus theta minus cot 25 plus theta. This is a little bit different question. Tan 65 minus theta minus cot 25 plus theta. We never seen this type of a question before, isn't it? Tan 65 minus theta minus cot 25 plus theta. Okay, now we just see, forget everything. Now just see the angles. Which is the angle here? 65 minus theta. Which is the angle here? 25 plus theta. Just try to add that angles. 65 minus theta plus 25 plus theta. Try to add that. Minus theta, theta get cancelled. What is 65 plus 25? 90, no? That means the given angles are complementary. The given angles are complementary. That means we can use some complementary angles property here. You may understand. Are you following me? Okay. This is in terms of tan and this is in terms of cot. First term is in terms of tan and second term is in terms of cot. So I'm going to convert this tan in terms of cot. How you can convert tan in terms of cot? Don't think that tan is nothing but 1 by cot. By using angles are complementary, then we are supposed to use complementary angles property only. നിങ്ങൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ ടാനിനെ കോട്ടിൻ്റെ ടൈംസിലോട്ടാക്കാൻ പറയുമ്പോൾ ടാൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സാറേ 1 by കോട്ട് അങ്ങനെ ചിന്തിക്കരുത്. ടാൻ 1 by കോട്ടാണ് ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ്, അങ്ങനെയല്ല. ഇവിടെ ആംഗിൾസ് കോംപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് കോംപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി ആംഗിൾസ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയുടെ സെഷനിൽ വരുന്ന കമ്പാരിസൺ നടത്തണം. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ക്യാൻ യു റൈറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് കോട്ട് 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta? Yes, instead of tan theta you can write cot 90. You know, you can ask me why we are doing this kind of things here. You will get understood in the very next step. That means this is the property from complementary angle section. Tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta, no? Okay. Then what will be tan A? Cot 90 minus A. What will be tan B? Cot 90 minus B. What will be tan 2x? Cot 90 minus 2x. Isn't it? Whatever the value of theta, same theta you just substitute here, that much only. Then what will be tan 65 minus theta? Because we have to find an expression for tan 65 minus theta in terms of cot. So tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. I am going to replace theta by 65 minus theta. Are you following me? So here also you have to replace theta by what? Cot as it is, 90 as it is, minus. After minus, for this theta you can replace 65 minus theta. 65 minus theta. Since it is after the minus more than 2 times, you just give a bracket. Don't forget that. Listen. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എനിക്ക് സംശയം വന്നു എനിക്കറിയാം. നോക്കാം എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ടാൻ 65 മൈനസ് തീറ്റ കണ്ടു. അതിന് ഞാൻ കോട്ടിൻ്റെ ടേമിൽ എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തിനാണ് കോട്ടിൻ്റെ ടേമിൽ? കാരണം ഇവിടെ ടാൻ ആണ്, ഇവിടെ കോട്ടെ രണ്ടും രണ്ടായിട്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ കോംപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി ആംഗിൾസ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി കോംപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി ആംഗിൾ സെഷനിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ സോൾവ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അറിയാം നമ്മൾ രണ്ടിനെയും ഒരു റേഷ്യോൻ്റെ ടൈമിൽ കൊണ്ടുവന്നിട്ടാണ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്തത്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒന്ന് എടുത്ത് നോക്കിയാൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. ഇവിടെ ടാനും കോട്ടും ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് കോംപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി ആംഗിൾസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ആ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഉപയോഗിച്ച് രണ്ടിനെയും നമ്മൾ ടാനോ രണ്ടിനെയും നമ്മൾ കോട്ടോ ആക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് രണ്ടിനെയും കോട്ടാക്കുന്നു. ഇവിടെ ഓൾറെഡി കോട്ടാണ്, അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഇതിനെ ഡിസ്റ്റർബ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ഈ ടാനിനെ ഞാൻ കോട്ടാക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, അതെങ്ങനെയാണ് ആക്കുക? ഏത് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഉപയോഗിക്കാം? കോംപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി ആംഗിൾസിൽ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയിൽ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു ടാൻ തീറ്റ ഈക്വൽ കോട്ട് 90 മൈനസ് തീറ്റ പഠിച്ചു. അപ്പോൾ ഈ തീറ്റേൻ്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് എന്താണെങ്കിലും ഇപ്പോൾ ഉദാഹരണത്തിന് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ടാൻ സി? ടാൻ സി വിൽ ബി കോട്ട് 90 minus c. Why? Because tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta, no? So whatever the value of theta, it will satisfy. So if theta is c, just substitute this theta as c, that much only. Tan c will be cot 90 minus c. Tan d will be cot 90 minus d. Then what will be tan 65 minus theta? ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്തത്? തീറ്റയ്ക്ക് 65 മൈനസ് തീറ്റ കൊടുത്തു. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടത്തെയും തീറ്റയ്ക്ക് എന്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി? 65 മൈനസ് തീറ്റ കൊടുത്താൽ മതി. ബാക്കിയൊക്കെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ കോട്ട് അതുപോലെ 90 അതുപോലെ. തീറ്റയ്ക്ക് പകരം 65. ഇവിടെ എന്ത് തീറ്റ കൊടുത്തു അതേ തീറ്റ ഇവിടെ കൊടുക്കണം, 65 മൈനസ് തീറ്റ. പക്ഷേ ഈ തീറ്റ മൈനസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ തീറ്റ ഒന്നോ രണ്ടോ ഒന്നിലധികം ടേം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മൈനസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്ത് ഇടണം? ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇടണം. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മൈനസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞാൻ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇട്ടത്. You may understood. Okay. Now just see tan 65 minus theta is equal to cot. Now we can open the bracket 90. Open the bracket minus 65. Just take minus inside. Minus 65 minus minus is plus theta. You may understood. That means instead of tan 65 minus theta, tan 65 minus theta, tan 65 minus theta is equal to cot. What is 90 minus 65? Do that. 90 minus 65 is nothing but 25 plus theta as it is. Okay, that means now we can replace tan 65 minus theta as cot 25 plus theta. So you may understood. So what modification I made? So I found that these angles are complementary angles. That means while I am adding angles, I am getting 90 degrees. So we can use complementary angles property. So you know that all the problems under complementary section, what we did. So if there is two different ratios, we made some changes and we made in terms of one ratio. That was the technique we used in the complementary section part. So since it is tan, since it is cot, I have to make both in terms of tan or both in terms of cot. So I am going to make both in terms of cot. So for that I choose this identity from complementary angle section. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. That means tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta. This is the expression for complementary angle section. And you know tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So whatever the value of theta, here theta will come. That means if it is tan e, then what will be tan e? Tan e is nothing but cot 90 minus e. Just like that, tan 65 minus theta. That means this theta I replaced as 65 minus theta. So this theta also you are to replace it as 65 minus theta. Since it is after minus, you have to give a bracket. That much only. Then open the bracket. Take minus inside. So that means we found an expression for tan 65 minus theta as cot 25 plus theta. That means now let us come to the question. What is our question? Tan 65 minus theta minus cot 25 plus theta. See, tan 65 minus theta, we found that what? Cot 25 plus theta, no? Instead of tan 65 minus theta, what I can substitute? Cot 25 plus theta. So instead of tan 65 minus theta, cot 25 plus theta. Then minus this term as it is, what is that? Cot 25 plus theta. Now we just see both are same. How we can subtract both same time? How we can subtract same times? Answer will be 0. It is nothing but x minus x, no? 0. So answer is very simple. Only this is the major steps. Only this is the major step. Now we got the answer of 0. See, your next question is solve for theta. Question is cos square theta by cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 3. Once again, solve for theta. I will explain the question for you. Solve for theta. Solve for theta. Cos square theta by cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 3. See, very rare this type of question will come. So what is the meaning of solve for theta? Solve for theta means find the value of theta. That means here you have to find the value of this angle theta. Very rare question, but still it is important. How we can find out the value of theta? You know, in order to find out the value of theta, we need to find out the value of, no, let me explain in another way. See, anyway, this is in terms of cos, this is in terms of നമുക്ക് തീറ്റയാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. തീറ്റേൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. തീറ്റ 45 ആണോ, 30 ആണോ, 60 ആണോ, 90 ആണോ, അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒക്കെ അത് ഏതാണോ ആംഗിൾ തീറ്റ എന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. അപ്പം ഈ ചോദ്യത്തിലോട്ട് നമ്മൾ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കട്ടെ, തീറ്റ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ഇനി എന്ത് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിലും വി ഹാവ് ടു മേക്ക് ഷുവർ ദാറ്റ് വെദർ ദ ഗിവൺ എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ ഈസ് ഇൻ വൺ ടൈംസ് ഓർ നോട്ട്. Can you say this is in one time? No, it is not in one time. Here cos theta is there one time in the sense one unknown or not. Okay, we have to make sure that whether there exists one unknown or not. Why? Because question is for solving. In order to solve, we have to make sure whether there is one unknown or not. Here cos theta is there, cot theta is there. How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns are there. So we have to make some arrangement in this expression, and we have to make this expression as in terms of one unknown. So in order to make this expression as one unknown, so the given expression is cos square theta by cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 3. Don't confuse this question as prove that this is equal to 3. The question is not like prove that this is equal to 3. So this is the given expression. By using this expression, we have to find out the value of theta. Not prove that question. Okay. So this is the given thing, cos square theta by cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 3. So numerator as it is, I told you we have to make it in terms of one unknown. Instead of cot square theta, can I write cos square theta by sin square theta? Yes, of course. Minus this cos square theta as it is equal to 3. Because cot is nothing but cos by sin. No, so cot square will be cos square by sin square. Now we just see numerator cos square theta as it is. From denominator, this is the first time, this is the second time. Is there any common? This is the first time and this is the second time. Is there any common? Yes, cos square theta is common. Take outside. When you take cos square theta, numerate. So that means from both the time I am going to take cos square theta outside. When you take cos square theta outside from the first time, here numerator nothing will remain. So at that time you will write 1 by sin square theta. Minus second time nothing will remain, then you will write 1, isn't it? Is equal to 3. Now you just see cos square theta and cos square theta get cancelled. So what happened? 1 by, isn't it? 1 by, what is 1 by sin square theta? Cosec square theta minus 1, because 1 by sin is nothing but cosec. So 1 by sin square theta minus 1 become cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 3. See, 1 by, what is cosec square theta minus 1? See, from the expression 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. What is cosec square theta minus 1? Take this 1 to right side. So cosec square, it become, when you take this 1 to right side, it become cosec square theta minus 1. That will be what? Cot square theta, no? That means by using this expression, we can find an expression for cot square theta as cosec square theta minus 1. That means you can replace cosec square theta minus 1 as what? Cot square theta is equal to 3. You may understood. What is 1 by cot square theta? Tell me. What is 1 by cot square theta? 1 by cot is nothing but tan. So 1 by cot square theta will be tan square theta is equal to 3. Then what will be tan theta? Tan theta will be root 3. Then tan of something is equal to root 3. Then which will be that something? Theta will be, tell me very fast. 60 degree, of course, because tan 60 only will give you root 3. That means this is the answer for that. That means this is the value of theta, that is 60 degree. That means we solved for theta. We got the angle theta 60 degree. So which method we used? Once again, let me explain the same question. Question was like this. In order to, we have to find out the solve for theta. I told you this is a very rare question. Solve for theta means we have to find out the value of theta. So in order to find out the value, or in order to solve an expression, we have to make sure that the expression is in one time or not. No, it is in two unknowns. We have to make it is in one unknown. How? For that reason, cot square theta I replaced by cos square by sin, because cot is nothing but cos by sin. So cot square will be cos square by sin square. That much only. So we got 2 times here. Then from that 2 times I can take cos square outside. I make cos square stand outside. When you take cos square outside from the first time, you may understood both the time cos square is there, no? So just take outside from first. This is your first time. When you take cos square outside, 1 by sin square theta will remain, because from numerator I took cos square outside. Then when I take cos square outside from the second time, nothing will remain. 1. Okay, 3. Cos square get cancel. You may understood. And when you cancel here, you have to write 1. So that is there, this 1, and 1 by sin square is nothing but cos square theta minus 1 as it is equal to 3. We have reached this much. Now we just see 1 by, what is cos square theta minus 1? Cos square theta minus 1 is nothing but cot square theta. By which expression? See, this is the reason for that. Okay, is equal to 3. and 1 by cot square is nothing but tan square. Then in that way we will get the value of tan theta as root 3. Tan which angle will give you root 3? Theta is equal to 60. That angle should be 60. So that is the value of the, this is the solution. Theta is equal to 60 degree. See, so shall we wind up the session? Yes, we can. It's a time to wind up. We have discussed, I think, 4 or 5 questions we discussed, I think, and all the questions very important, and in all questions we have applied different methods. That is a problem of this chapter. For some questions there exists some common method, but most of the question we have to go for some different attempts. But don't get tensed, don't get bored with this chapter. We have to make a good relationship with this chapter. You always get in touch with this chapter, try to find out more questions, try to solve many questions. But I promise you, still, in the last year students, those who worked hard on this chapter, they told me that they could apply all the questions from introduction to trigonometry which came in the last board exam. That means once you try, this introduction to trigonometry is going to be the most simple chapter for you. You will not lose any 1 mark. I promise, any 1 mark in this chapter if you work hard. Have a good day.